Show me. We found.
Look at a fat pufferfish.
Hey, it's a cupcake fish.
Oh.
I'm gonna punch this one. Okay, so here, side note. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm still recovering from this cold that I had, and I ate a ton of food before I came here. Okay, so we had some technical difficulties getting here, and people were getting lost left and right. And I see a lemon in the wild. Look at my beautiful girl. I love her so much. She's my favorite.
In case Dad watches this.
I'll make sure he tags him.
Look, it's Finding Nemo.
Tyler had a shark before we got together, and he named it Bruce.
I said that's a type.
Come on. Let's go.
We are
Gather around, guys.
our lovely teacher here.
Oh, you should have saw how I was dancing for Aaron earlier.
Lemon wants to show us something. That's so cool.
You know they're called. That's why they're called mermaid persons.
Shark eggs. Oh, they're shark eggs.
Are they real eggs?
Because you can see the little...
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what the shark eggs look like.
Oh my goodness, it's so
I was
cool.
gonna get one.
Thank you.
Looks like it over there.
Yeah. Oh, you see the baby.
I knew she would enjoy that.
That is so cool. Aaron just savagely beat Tyler. He's like, oh my God.
I love black fishes.
I'm gonna get one.
Dude, there's that
What
shark.
the hell? Look at his nose.
Imagine they're saying she can buy makeup.
Yeah, that's very shark.
Look, it's a hammerhead.
All we need is a big enough for it to be big, and then it circles around. Does it take that much?
Yes, it has.
Violated. Careful not to trip.
Thank you. Sharks keep the ocean and people healthy by eating sick, dying, or dead prey. Interesting.
I swear there was an area where you could touch these because I remember touching the manta rays.
It might have been years ago, but a lot of things have changed.
Yeah, you used to be able to like touch them. They were so slimy and icky.
Yeah.
What do I got on over here?
Film and
Dude,
sharks.
some of those fish are alive. Why are they not?
Any fishies?
Oh my word.
Leopard sharks.
I think so. Stingray.
No, they're the white stop spotted bamboo sharks.
Interesting. Bamboo shark.
You got something on top that week.
Where's they going?
I did not see no dolphins.
There's one sitting right down there, but you can't see him.
Yeah, you can. Not really.
Amazon.
That.
Yeah, I think that's the one. He's looking.
There he is. He's so cute. There he is. Hello, beautiful. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh yeah.
I found Aaron.
Oh, might be dead. Yeah.
Aaron, I found you. You're that thing with the weird eyes.
Found you.
Okay, skinny. I'll take it.
No, but you
Oh, I like
really
that
like
there.
that one.
Look at them peeking around like nowhere.
I found Tyler.
There's a lot of them. So what?
Okay, so we are heading out because the rides are delayed again. So now we are gonna try to find another ride. Hopefully. The stupid cloud. It's like legit a single cloud. Anyone should have write down for everything. It's hot.
What if I jump in that puddle and get you wet?
Do it.
I said I didn't want to check out you wet.
It's in.
Now you have to jump in the puddle.
Feels good.
Aaron would have freaking yelled at me if I got him wet.
Right. Right.
You take that out of
Baby shark. You missed him.
I seen.
They similar to the toolbox.
There's starfish and sea urchins.
Cool. I never seen a starfish that big.
1, 2, 3, and a sea urchin. Sorry. There's an octopus over there.
I just took a big breath just the other day.
Oh, that's where it was.
Yeah. I know, I saw it. Wait. Oh, there's a little starfish right there too. On like the thing.
I can see it.
I think it's sleeping.
It looks like it.
It's a wild live octopus. I don't think so.
You and Mama?
What, baby?
You and Mama.
I am not.
Okay.
There's something hiding in that back corner over there. I don't know what it is. Wait. Look at the little. Is that a fish hiding in there? It looks like a fish hiding in there.
It is.
There's one all the way in the back hiding. He's camera shy.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that. I think it's a shark. Look at that big thing.
It is.
Look. It looks like you.
Cute.
You're welcome. Come on. My bag's itchy. I'm into that. I'm into that little baby shrimp.
I don't know if they're constipating or what.
Look, there's a little shark. Look. He was following my finger. Oh, he stopped. He was. Look at this orange sock noodle looking fish. Look at it. Yeah, there's a starfish right there.
It's moving.
Look, Aaron is finding emo.
Finding emo.
That's what we used to call them.
Yeah, that tick is messing with my head, dude. I can't be in it.
They're not old no more.
First ride in 14 years. Come on. Come on.
You sound like a grandma.
We should lock arms and skip.
All right.
I don't know how to skip.
Me
Oh,
either.
like this. I think it's that way.
I think so.
Oh, my feet are going to be raw. That way.
So the ride finally opened up. We're gonna go get in line and we're gonna ride something. They've
You want me to
already,
shake my ass for the camera?
yeah. What have you ride so far? Do you remember?
Pipeline.
Pipeline. That's it.
Yes.
All right. She's rode Pipeline. I haven't rode that yet. I
We
think.
went on pipeline and 2 aquariums.
And 2 aquariums, and now we're gonna finally go ride this. We gotta ride. I'm not happy about it, but we gotta ride. No making fun of me yelling. Brad, where you can pet a stingray, and one came up to Emma and let him pet him. It was adorable. Let's see if we'll let her do it again.
Mama,
Do what?
What, baby?
help us find the big one.
Okay.
They have like an
It's easier to pet them over there. It's too hard to pet them over here.
That is huge. Look at the pancake.
Do you think the dolphin will say hi to me?
Maybe. Let's go see.
Just imagine that in this glass of milk. We would all be swimming out. Oh! It's an elegant creature. He wants to take his time. Tyler, why are they swimming up like that? Just what they do?
I wish I could go swimming right now. My legs are burning. And it's hot. But at least it's cooled off a little bit, so that's nice. We have a nice breeze going on. It likes you.
Coochie coo him. He likes a coochie coochie coo. Let me film you petting him.
I'm good.
Pet him.
All right, here.
I don't want to drop it. Okay. You're gonna get to pet the white one. Maybe. Oh no, they just don't like you. I don't know why they don't like you. They were coming up.
They rather Emma.
Oh, it just waved at me like that.
Alright, I give up.
They don't like you.
No,
They were coming to us. And then you shut up.
You like to...
That's her log string chat.
Okay, as you can see, it's dark and cloudy. So, all rides are shut down, which sucks. I had to go get the kids. They were petting the animals, the stingrays, as you've seen earlier, and I didn't get the pet one because he was ignoring me. I might go live in a car. We'll see. I'm gonna start requesting that, and I think we're gonna head out because I'm gonna try to beat the rain. So I'll see you in my next clip. Yeah. We are heading out. We gotta try to find Tyler's dad. Were you making faces at my camera?
I would never.
She wants dragon fruit
boba.
dragon fruit boba. I don't know if there's even a place you can
There
get it.
is. I saw it
Where?
with my 2 eyeballs.
Where?
In that like main section, like when we were headed, like that main section before Mako. There's a little stand,
Okay.
and they were selling boba. And I just saw a rainbow sloth.
Look, it's like trying to say hi to you. Look, it's excited to see you. It's like it's my Emma.
No, I think that's them getting pissed off and telling him to leave.
Aye, aye, captains. Young love.
On the way home from a somewhat shitty day at SeaWorld, because everything was closed because of weather, she gets to see a rainbow.
Yeah.